What's up? This is Myron from the F13 Works team, and today we're going to go over a few advanced features available in any F13 Works app that you might find useful. Now again, this will apply to any app on Shopify or WooCommerce developed by F13 Works. So, Smoke Drop, Product Pro, Animal Drop, Daily Mom, any app developed by F13 Works, these same tips will apply to. So let's get started. First one here is the ability to select a specific page of results while you're searching for products. So again, you may not want to go page by page. You may want to skip to the end. You may want to skip to a certain page in the middle. You have the ability to do so. All you have to do is hit this drop down here where it's showing how many products are displayed, and you'll be able to actually select which page of results you want to look at. And again, you can skip to the next page here or skip to the first or last page. Now, taking this tip a bit further, if you actually go to the second page of results on a search in any of our apps, you'll see that the URL changes a bit with these parameters. And you see here we have a limit of 24. Now some users may want to look at multiple products, more than 24 at once when looking at search results. So you can actually come up here and adjust the URL parameter to display really any number of products you want. Now of course, if you go too high, you will likely crash the app as it can only load so many products at a time. We recommend keeping it under 100, but of course, feel free to play around with it and see what number works for you. But by adjusting this to 48, we've now increased the limit of results on the page. This is not functionality built into the app itself, but it is available if you want to use it by just adjusting the parameter on the product page URL. Now next, we'll head over to the My Products page for another quick tip. And so we actually have two different views of the My Products page in all of our apps. One is a standard product card view, and the second is actually product rows. So this is a more technical look for those who aren't really concerned with the product images, titles, and whatnot, really just want to see the prices of everything. So here you have a very simple way to see the status, the cost, shipping cost, and the retail price. And so from here you can do all the same actions you could on the product view. You can edit product, delete product, activate a product, you can select checkboxes, all that good stuff. So feel free to choose the view that works best for you in this scenario. Now the final tip is how to edit prices in bulk for products you have on the My Products page. Now this can only be applied to products in draft status. So products that are already active cannot be edited in any app. So once the product is in your store, it has to be edited in the store. But for draft products, we can definitely edit them on the My Products page in the app. So you can select multiple, a few, you can select the whole page. But once we have them selected, we want to go to Set Price. And this will allow us to adjust the selling price of all the products we've selected. So you can adjust by the actual price if you want to set a specific price for all the products. Let's say every product on this page we want to sell for $50, we could do that. Now the minimum price for the lowest cost product will be applied here, so you will have to adhere to that. You can adjust by profit. So you can take what the wholesale cost is and say, I want to make X amount of money. So I at least want to make $20 on every product here. You can do that by adjusting by profit. And of course you can adjust by margin as well. So if you know I need at least a 70% margin on everything I sell, we'll adjust the selling price based on the margin you set here. So once you have your rate set, you select Save Product Prices, and all products on the page will be updated to display whatever price adjustment that you set on the screen here. So once we see that success message and it saves, we'll see all the price adjustments made on the products we're selling based on that margin we just set. And these are some of the more advanced tips and tricks you can do in the app. So leverage these tactics to make your experience in any of our Shopify WooCommerce apps as efficient as possible. Cheers.